Hi YouTube, today I'm going to experiment what it looks like when the fridge closes. I'm going to show you, we're going to find out if the light does stay on when the fridge closes. Let's have a look see. Because I know stupid people are wondering. Don't count me as one of them. Okay, so here's my fridge. We're going to be picking a carriage from number two, sorry, in here. And we're going to get ready to close in 3, 2, 1. And you guys are going to see what it looks like in there. Bye! Is it dark? Let's try again. And again. And just one more time in case you missed it. Yum. Okay, thanks for watching, YouTube viewers. My phone's probably very, very cold right now.